Thinking of diving into real estate investment? Start with the basics of multifamily properties. Multifamily properties like duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes are unique real estate investments that can open doors to lucrative opportunities. But what exactly are they? A duplex is a single building split into two separate units sharing a common wall. Essentially, it's like having two homes under one roof. Triplexes and fourplexes follow the same model, but with 3 and 4 units respectively. Now, how do these differ from apartments or condos? Well, multifamily properties typically offer more privacy and space, resembling traditional homes rather than apartment complexes. They also often come with separate entrances for each unit, which many tenants prefer. Investors, here's what you need to consider. First, location. Properties in high-demand areas are more likely to attract steady tenants. Second, cash flow. Calculate potential rental income minus expenses to see if the numbers add up. Third, think about maintenance. More units mean more potential repairs. Why choose a multifamily property? Diversification. With multiple units, you're not relying on a single tenant for income. This can mean steadier cash flow and less financial risk. Plus, you'll gain experience in managing different types of tenants and leases, which is invaluable for any real estate tycoon in the making. Whether you're eyeing a duplex, a fourplex, or something even bigger, understanding these basics is the first step in making an informed and profitable investment decision. So why not start your real estate journey with a multifamily property today?